turbine flow meters are widely used for accurately measuring the flow of both liquids and gases. Their key advantage is high accuracy with an error margin of just 0.5%, which can be improved to 0.25% through calibration. They're economical, compact, lightweight, and simple to install and operate. These meters offer a broad measurement range. Larger diameters can achieve range ratios of 21 or more, while smaller diameters provide ratios around 10:1. They also produce moderate pressure loss, making them efficient for many industrial processes. However, turbine flow meters do have limitations. They require clean, dry fluids for optimal performance, as contaminants can damage internal components. High-viscosity fluids can slow the rotor, leading to inaccurate readings. For gas flow measurement, factors like temperature and pressure can alter gas density, so corrections are necessary. Maintenance is also important. Bearings need regular lubrication to reduce friction and wear. Over time, debris buildup and mechanical wear can affect calibration, requiring periodic recalibration. Flow disturbances, such as turbulence caused by upstream piping configurations, can impact accuracy. Additionally, smaller turbine meters may struggle with performance due to increased bearing friction at low flow rates. Despite these challenges, turbine flow meters are a trusted choice for industries needing precise, reliable flow measurement. Their combination of accuracy, affordability, and versatility keeps them in high demand for many applications.